Welcome back to Nature's Fix, and today, we're uncovering the secret to a garden that feeds you year after year. Most of us replant every season, but what if you could plant once and harvest forever? Perennial vegetables are the backbone of a self-sustaining garden, robust, productive, and low maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 20 vegetables that turn your patch into a permanent food source, ready to grow smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Meet asparagus, the king of patience. Plant it once, wait a couple of years, and you'll be rewarded with tender spears every spring for decades. After harvest, let the ferns grow to recharge the roots for next year. Just mulch with compost in autumn, and asparagus will thrive with minimal care. It's a must-have for any permanent food garden. A little patience, a lifetime of harvests. Rhubarb is the perennial powerhouse that thrives on neglect and shrugs off cold winters. Plant it in rich, sunny soil and it'll produce for generations. Only eat the stalks, never the toxic leaves. Harvest by pulling stalks with a twist, leaving a few to keep the plant strong. Rhubarb's tangy stems are a springtime treat that keeps coming back. For a plant that gives so much and asks so little, rhubarb is a garden essential. Artichokes bring Mediterranean flair and gourmet harvests to your garden. In mild climates, they return year after year, producing dozens of edible buds. Harvest before the buds flower, and mulch well in winter for protection. With a little care, artichokes reward you with beauty and bounty. A true showstopper and a delicious perennial. Sorrel is the zesty, lemony green that's nearly indestructible. It's one of the first greens up in spring and the last to fade in autumn. Snip off flower stalks to keep the leaves coming, and harvest outer leaves as needed. Sorrel thrives in most soils and even tolerates shade. For endless tangy greens, sorrel is unbeatable. Egyptian walking onions are self-planting wonders. They form bulbils at the top, which bend down and root themselves. Your onion patch literally walks. Use the green shoots like chives, the bulbils for a spicy kick, or dig up the base for a full onion. Drought-tolerant and pest-resistant, they thrive with almost no effort. Let them wander, or plant the bulbils yourself for order. A playful, perpetual onion supply. Globe artichokes are garden royalty. Dramatic, productive, and long-lived, their silvery foliage and edible buds make them a stunning centerpiece. After harvest, cut back stalks and mulch for winter. Divide every few years to invigorate and multiply your plants. Globe artichokes. Beauty, flavor, and abundance in one. Watercress thrives in wet spots or containers kept constantly moist. Its peppery leaves are packed with nutrients and regrow quickly after cutting. Harvest by snipping tops, and it'll keep coming back all season. Even a soggy corner can become a productive patch with watercress. A fresh, healthy green for almost any garden. Sea kale is a tough, beautiful perennial with edible shoots, leaves, and flower heads. Blanch the spring shoots for a gourmet treat or enjoy the leaves and buds unblanched. Its deep roots make it drought-tolerant and low maintenance. Propagate from root cuttings for more plants. Sea kale brings a taste of history and the seaside to your garden. Lovage is the perennial celery substitute, tall, bold, and bursting with flavor. Use leaves, stems, and seeds for intense celery-like taste in any dish. It's easy to grow, thrives in sun or part shade, and attracts pollinators. Divide every few years to keep it vigorous. Lovage, one plant, endless flavor. Good King Henry is a shade-tolerant, multi-purpose perennial. Harvest shoots like asparagus, leaves like spinach, and flower buds like broccoli. Hardy and low maintenance, it self-seeds gently and provides greens all season. Rich in iron and vitamins, it's a piece of edible history. A reliable, nutritious addition to any garden. Turkish rocket delivers a peppery punch without bolting in summer. Enjoy young leaves in salads and harvest flower buds like sprouting broccoli. Deep-rooted and drought-tolerant, it shrugs off pests and thrives for years. 2 harvests from one tough plant. Turkish rocket is a spicy, resilient perennial. Caucasian spinach is a rare, shade-loving perennial climber. It scrambles up trellises, producing masses of mild spinach-like leaves. No bolting, no bitterness, just steady greens from spring to fall. Perfect for vertical gardens and awkward shady spots. A unique space-saving perennial. Daubenton's kale is the ultimate cut-and-come-again green. Unlike annual kales, it rarely flowers, focusing all its energy on leaf production. Side branches root themselves, expanding your patch year after year. Hardy, sweet, and productive, even in winter. Take cuttings to share or expand. Perpetual kale, perpetual harvest. 9-star broccoli gives you multiple creamy white heads every spring. No replanting needed. Harvest all heads before they flower, and the plant will keep producing for years. Needs sun and fertile soil, but little else. A brilliant low-effort alternative to annual broccoli. One planting, years of harvest. Chives are the perennial onion-flavored herb you'll use endlessly. They die back in winter, then burst back in spring with fresh greens and edible flowers. Divide every few years to keep them vigorous and multiply your supply. Low maintenance and endlessly useful. Chives, a true perennial champion. Garlic chives offer a mild garlic flavor and beautiful white flowers. Use them like regular chives, in salads, stir-fries, or as a garnish. They self-seed enthusiastically, so snip flowers if you want to contain them. Easy to grow, and a pollinator magnet. For a garlicky twist, plant garlic chives. Horseradish is the fiery root that keeps on giving. Just plant it where it can't take over. Harvest roots in autumn, replant a few side roots, and you'll have a lifetime supply. Freshly grated, it's unbeatable for heat and flavor. Grow in containers to control its spread. The ultimate perennial spice. Jerusalem artichoke is a sunflower cousin with prolific nutty tubers. Plant a few, and you'll harvest buckets every autumn. Just dig thoroughly to control spread. Tall, cheerful plants double as a windbreak or screen. Replant the best tubers for next year's crop. For sheer volume, Jerusalem artichoke is hard to beat. Wild leeks, or ramps, bring a wild, garlicky onion flavor to shady gardens. Plant bulbs in rich, moist soil and harvest leaves sustainably to keep your patch thriving. They emerge early in spring, then vanish until next year. The whole plant is edible, but harvest with care. A gourmet perennial that connects you to the wild. Tree collard is the towering brassica that produces greens year-round for decades. Harvest leaves as needed and propagate by cuttings for more plants. Stake for support and enjoy a living larder that grows up to 10 feet tall. Perfect for food security and vertical interest. The ultimate perennial green giant. That's 20 vegetables you plant once and harvest for years. No more endless replanting. Perennials build healthier soil, support pollinators, and create a resilient, abundant garden. Grow smarter, save time, and enjoy effortless harvests. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Fix. Thanks for joining me. Here, we don't just grow food, we grow freedom. See you in the next garden adventure.